You are not here to drift. You are not here to survive. You are here to live with purpose, to rise with courage, and to feel the fire of joy in your bones. These 10 truths from Napoleon Hill are not just ideas, they are weapons. If you apply them, your life will change. Right now. Not someday. Not tomorrow. Now. Find your purpose. A drifting life is a dying life. Know what you want clearly, exactly, powerfully. Purpose gives your energy direction. Without it, you're just reacting. Stop waiting. Decide. Declare. Act. Build a positive mental attitude. You cannot afford negativity. It poisons joy. Train your mind like your life depends on it, because it does. Control your thoughts, or they will control you. Choose power. Choose joy. Create your mastermind. Who you walk with decides how far you go. Surround yourself with people who think big, live bold, and believe in more. If your circle drains you, change it today. Master self-discipline and freedom. Learn control. Self-discipline is the key to self-respect, and self-respect is the foundation of joy. Make the hard choice. Reclaim your power. Focus ruthlessly. Controlled attention. Distraction is death to your dreams. Focus like your life depends on it, because it does. Cut the noise. Lock in. Move forward. Apply unshakable faith. Faith isn't just hope, it's belief in action. If you don't believe in your vision, who will? Walk forward, even in fog. Doubt kills. Faith builds. Go the extra mile. Average gives average. Greatness demands more effort, more heart, more you. Do more than expected. Leave people stunned. Think accurately. Emotion without logic leads to disaster. Learn to think. Sharpen your mind. Cut through the lies. Be clear. Be sharp. Be dangerous. Protect your physical health. No energy equals no joy. Treat your body like the engine of your dreams. Move daily. Eat to fuel. Rest to rise. You are not replaceable. Take immediate action. Ideas are worthless without action. Start. Now. Small steps beat perfect plans. Take the shot. Make the call. Begin the thing. Joy lives in motion. You don't need more time. You need more fire. You know what to do. Now do it. Take these 10 truths and build a life that makes you proud. A life full of energy, courage, clarity, and joy. You were not born to hesitate. You were born to lead. Now go. Move. Live. Become.